welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we are going to take you on an exciting behind-the-scenes tour of the turkey production process, uncovering the fascinating steps involved in bringing delicious Thanksgiving and holiday turkeys to your table. Get ready to witness the intricate and efficient process of turkey production in the industrial setting. Let's dive in. Our journey begins at the turkey hatchery, where turkey eggs are carefully incubated until they hatch into poults, or baby turkeys. The poults are then moved to brooding facilities, where they are kept in a warm and controlled environment to ensure their health and well-being during their early days of life. The crucial element in turkey production is creating an optimal growing environment for the birds. This includes providing ample space for the turkeys to move around and exhibit natural behaviors, as well as maintaining proper temperature, ventilation, and lighting conditions. A nutritious and balanced diet is essential for the healthy growth of turkeys. Turkeys are fed a specially formulated diet that includes a mix of grains, proteins, vitamins, and minerals, carefully balanced to meet their specific dietary requirements at different stages of growth. Turkeys are fed according to a carefully planned feeding program that takes into consideration their age, weight, and growth rate. This involves providing the right amount of feed at the right time, monitoring feed consumption, and adjusting the feeding program as needed to ensure that the turkeys are receiving the optimal nutrition for their growth. Access to clean and fresh water is vital for the health and well-being of turkeys. Water quality is closely monitored to ensure that it meets strict standards for cleanliness and safety. Once turkeys have reached the desired weight and age, they are carefully transported to a processing facility where they undergo a series of meticulous steps to ensure they are prepared for consumption. The processing begins with stunning, which is done to ensure the turkeys are rendered unconscious and feel no pain during the process. This is typically done using electric stunning or gas stunning methods, which are humane and approved by regulatory authorities. After stunning, the turkeys are moved to a feather removal process. This involves the use of mechanical equipment, such as a scalding tank and a defeathering machine, to remove the feathers from the turkeys. The turkeys are submerged in hot water in the scalding tank, which helps loosen the feathers, and then they are passed through the defeathering machine, which uses rubber fingers or spinning discs to remove the feathers. The evisceration process involves removing the internal organs of the turkeys. At the heart of the evisceration process is automated evisceration equipment. These machines are designed to efficiently and accurately remove the internal organs from turkeys. They are equipped with sharp blades, robotic arms, and other cutting-edge features that make the process quick and precise. The turkeys are carefully positioned on a conveyor belt, and the automated evisceration equipment performs a series of precise cuts to remove the crop, intestines, reproductive organs, and other internal organs while minimizing the risk of contamination. The gutting machine is another critical piece of equipment used in the evisceration process. This machine is designed to carefully remove the entrails and other waste material from the turkeys. It utilizes a combination of mechanical and pneumatic systems to gently extract the entrails without damaging the meat. The entrails are then collected and removed from the processing line, ensuring that the turkeys are thoroughly cleaned and prepared for further processing. After the internal organs are removed, they are carefully inspected for any abnormalities. Organ inspection equipment is used to carefully examine the organs, including the crop, intestines, reproductive organs, and other internal organs, to ensure they are healthy and free from any defects or contaminants. This machine uses advanced imaging technology and automated systems to perform thorough inspections and ensure the quality and safety of the processed turkeys. After evisceration, the turkeys go through a thorough washing process to remove any remaining debris or contaminants. They are thoroughly washed with water to ensure they are clean and meet strict food safety standards. Once washed, the turkeys are chilled to lower their temperature to inhibit the growth of bacteria and ensure food safety. The final step in the turkey processing is packaging. The turkeys are carefully packaged using modern packaging equipment that ensures proper sealing and labeling. Packaging materials used are designed to preserve the quality and freshness of the turkeys while protecting them from contaminants. Packaging may include various formats such as whole turkeys, turkey parts, or ground turkey, depending on the intended market. At every stage of the turkey production process, rigorous quality control and inspection procedures are in place to ensure that the turkeys meet the highest standards of food safety, freshness, and quality. Trained quality control inspectors meticulously check the turkeys for any defects, ensuring that only the best products make it to market. Once the turkeys are processed and packaged, they are carefully loaded onto trucks and shipped to various destinations, including grocery stores, markets, and other food service establishments. These delicious Thanksgiving and holiday turkeys are now ready to be enjoyed by consumers around the world. And there you have it, the intricate and fascinating process of turkey production in the industrial setting. From hatchery and brooding to growing, feeding, processing, and packaging, every step is carefully executed to ensure the highest standards of food safety, animal welfare, and quality. We hope you've enjoyed this inside look into the turkey production process.